Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. So in tonight's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 easy Instant Pot recipes that I've made a bunch of times and my family loves. So the first one is going to be a cauliflower mashed. It's super easy and quick. And tonight I'm actually out of chicken broth or chicken stock. So I'm just going to be using water, but you're going to see it's going to come out equally as good. The next recipe is going to be an easy beef stew, which I've tweaked a little bit, but my family really likes it. So I'm going to be showing you that. And then the next recipe is going to be perfectly hard-boiled eggs. I found the perfect recipe where it's foolproof, and if you follow exactly how I show you, they come perfect every time. And the last recipe is going to be a Hamburger Stroganoff recipe, which I've also made a few times and everyone seems to love. So I hope that you like this video. Please give it a like. Please subscribe so you don't miss any notifications of upcoming videos. And let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is set the Instant Pot to saute, and it'll automatically time and it will start to heat up. You want to also add about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm not measuring, I'm just eyeballing it. Okay, you also want to add about 2 cloves of minced garlic. Give it a stir. And you also want to add a nice amount of salt and pepper. Smells really good. So let that just cook up a little bit. Next you want to add in the cauliflower and stir it. You want to go ahead and turn it off. And now you want to add in 1.5 cups of water. If you have chicken stock, that's even better. You would add the same, 1.5 cups. And here's a half. I also want to add a little more garlic powder just because we love it. Now you're going to put your lid on. So my machine, I have the Dua Nova. So this is one of their newer models. So it's much easier because you don't have to mess around with this. Once you lock the lid, it automatically does its thing over here. You don't have to worry about venting it. So basically now you just want to the pressure cook, and it's already set for 3 minutes, and that's it. It'll start pressurizing and the little icon will come up in a minute. There it is. And just let it do its thing. So I just wanted to add, if you guys have the steamer basket, you can definitely use that. My Instant Pot is pretty new, so I haven't really ordered that many accessories for it yet, but that will be my next Amazon purchase. I want to get different accessories. So I'm basically just using the stainless steel pot that the Instant Pot comes with, and like I said, they come perfect each time I've made this recipe. So for the next recipe, which is the beef stew, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to season the meat. I'll show you what I do. So you're just going to want to add a little salt, pepper. You should use it, it's really good. It's the Montreal steak seasoning. And of course some garlic powder, because I love garlic powder and I use it in almost everything. Then you're going to transfer the meat to the Instant Pot, like so. Sorry guys, I'm just holding the phone so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna saute the meat, probably for about 10 minutes. You want to saute it and make sure it's nice and brown. And while that's going, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. So we have carrots, garlic, onion, and potatoes. These are just red potatoes and I kind of quartered them. And then you're going to use some beef stock. You're actually going to use the whole 32 ounces. I put the Lipton Recipe Secrets. This is the beefy onion. And I actually don't use the whole envelope because it is a little bit salty. I just use about half. And here is cream of mushroom soup. And you're going to put this on top. I'm going to show you how to layer it. The layering is very important. And do not mix it. Once you put the Campbell's cream of mushroom soup, that's how you're going to lock the lid and start the cooking process. Okay, so once the meat is nice and browned, you're going to want to stop the sauteing process. And you're going to start to layer everything. So here's the stock. And like I said, you're going to use the whole container. You're going to have a lot of veggies going in here, and this way it covers everything. Okay, then you're going to want to add the carrots. Hey guys, so now I'm going to show you the Instant Pot Hamburger Stroganoff recipe. It's super simple and very tasty. So here's what you're going to need. Egg noodles, garlic, onion, a pound of ground beef, salt and pepper, cream of mushroom soup, sour cream, beef broth, and a tablespoon of flour. And now I'm going to show you how it's made. Okay, so you're going to want to spray the Instant Pot with cooking spray. And you're going to set it to saute. And then I'm going to add the ground beef. So I'm going to add the ground beef. Just kind of break it up. And it's going to start to saute and cook. So you're going to want to chop up the onion like a fine chop. I already did 1 clove of garlic. It doesn't have to be fancy. So you're going to want to chop up like a very, very fine chop, half of an onion, which I started doing, 1 clove of garlic, and try and get it, like I said, as small as you can. Okay, so the first step is you want to set your Instant Pot to Saute feature, and you want to brown the meat. You want to add the garlic and the onion, salt and pepper, and you just want to saute that maybe for about 10-15 minutes. And I'm just adding a tablespoon of flour. It calls for 2 cups of beef stock or beef broth, whatever you have on hand, so that's what I'm doing now. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add an 8-ounce container of sour cream. I'm going to mix it up real good. And 1 can of Campbell's cream of mushroom or whatever brand you have on hand. Just stir that up real good. And then you're going to just put your egg noodles in. And it calls for 2 to 3 cups. So yeah, here I'm just using 3 cups. You're going to give that a stir real well, and this will be the last step before you cover the Instant Pot. So once you go ahead and close the lid, you're going to want to seal it and set it on high pressure for 8 minutes. Once it's done, you just want to hit the quick release button. Do not let it natural release because it doesn't need to be in there any longer. Remember, you are cooking noodles and it will get soggy. So this recipe, here's the finished product, and my kids love it, and it actually tastes just like Hamburger Helper, but you know that it's more healthy because it's homemade. Hey guys, so tonight I'm going to be making hard-boiled eggs in my Instant Pot using the 666 method, which is actually my favorite method. It makes the yolk perfect inside, and once the eggs are done, you're going to stick them in an ice bath for 6 minutes. And the peel comes right off, and they're actually perfect inside. There's no discoloration, and they're just perfect. So let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do for the perfect hard-boiled eggs is you want to add 1 cup of cold water. Place in your stainless steel steamer basket. You can add the desired amount of eggs that you would like. Here I'm only doing 6, but you can add more. You can stack them on top of each other. You want to set the Instant Pot on high pressure for 6 minutes. Once the 6 minutes is up and the machine beeps, the eggs are done. You're going to go ahead and hit the quick release button. Once all the steam is released and the pin drops down, the machine will be safe to open. So now you just want to carefully remove the eggs, and you're going to put them into the ice bath. So now that they're done, I'm going to stick them in the ice bath for 6 minutes. So now I'm just going to show you how easy it is to peel them. So they've been in the ice bath for 6 minutes. And I'm going to cut into it so you guys can see how perfect it is. So I just ordered this from Amazon. I can link it below. And it was under $10. And it's just to keep in the fridge for hard-boiled eggs because we go through them so much. So the remainder I'm just going to stick in the fridge. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys try out these super simple recipes. Please hit the like button and please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.